I'm Hannah Bernard. You're watching Market 1 Minute, and I'm here today with José de Castro of Energy Meadows. So José, as the only person to bring a lithium brine mine into production in the last 15 years, why don't we start off with your background and your experience in the lithium triangle?
Hi, Anna. Yes, my experience mainly was based on the lithium triangle because I was born in Salta, in the center of the lithium triangle, that is in Argentina, Chile, and Bolivia. That area currently is the main area related with brine or the potential production of lithium from brines. My experience started up at the end of 90s when I started up like lithium carbonate superintendent FMC project. That was the starting of the lithium in the area. But then after when the market started to see the potential production of the electric vehicles and the batteries for electric vehicles, came a new market push related on that, and that was at the beginning of 2006, 2007, and appeared a lot of projects. My team, especially a team from the site that is well known in technical aspect, well known in political and communities aspect, we could start it up the only project during the last 15 years in that area. And that is very important because there are so many companies currently trying to do it, but Sales de Jujuy, that is the name of the company, was started up on 2013 and is very successful at the moment.
And why do you think there's been so little success in lithium production in the last couple of years compared to forecasts?
I think there is a conceptual point of view in the case of the lithium market currently. There was a lot of forecast at the end of 2009, 2010, based on the potential of the new projects coming from the lithium, from the brines in the lithium triangle. And the main reason was because almost all the companies are focused in look for reserves, look for resources, but nobody is taking care of the lithium like a business and the final and the production mainly. I mean, lithium is a bit different than the other kind of current minerals or ore, because it's based on chemical production and it's more a chemical product, and there are a different kind of point of view on that. So normally the companies are going around trying to define reserves and resources that of course is necessary, but not necessarily has a strong business plan for the production. Mainly lithium carbonate, that is the main product that currently is produced around the world, has a lot of specifications that are very complicated and needs a more chemical point of view. Add to that is the knowledge of the local aspect. There are so many local aspects that are necessary to take care, like political matters and the community, especially the community close to the project is necessary a very good social responsibility program too,
And what do you think sets Energy Meadows apart from the rest of the pack?
Yes, when we started up with our idea of energy, we thought in these key factors in order to think about the potential future production of lithium carbonate. We have a very good and a very strong technical team, but with some specific other aspects, like local people and people that know a lot about geological aspect, chemical aspect, political aspect, and community relationship aspect. So we have all the resources in order to become any kind of project in production soon. And especially we have the focus that is our region, and we are very proud about to be there. So it will be very important for all the people that is involved. That everyone that is currently in the management team is people with experience, with previous experience, and very strong in that aspect.
That's so important.
Yes.
And what projects do you have moving forward for the company?
Yes, with this philosophy we started up a year ago looking for new projects, and we have a very good assets in the Catamarca province, that is part of one of the provinces of Argentina, with practically 29,000 hectares in a future. We thought the future lithium big discovery, a world-class big discovery lithium project. It's a very important coverage of area, and we received the permits to start to drill 1 month ago. So that is one of our projects. The second project, we was focused to look for an area that is in the best place to produce currently lithium carbonate, because it's close to FMC operation, the operation that was running for more than 20 years. Yeah. So we acquire about a very good package there that is covering the potential to start up a lithium carbonate plant very soon.
And why do you think Energy Meadows is a good investment opportunity?
Especially for that, you know, I was trying to explain that the management team is very strong. We have a strong business plan too behind of that. We know what we are doing, and of course our assets are covering every synergy and could cover any possibility, because we have a high coverage package and a property in one of the most important places to produce lithium from brines in the world currently. It's Salar del Hombre Muerto.
Well, it sounds like an amazing investment opportunity. Jose, thank you so much for being with us.
You're welcome.